welcome back to my channel. My name is Rina and today I want to share with you some useful information about summer makeup. So we'll have like 5 tips that you will know and we'll create this makeup, and it is super easy and super simple. So if you're ready, let us start. So first thing we need to think about is our foundation, our face. We don't want to feel like mask on our face for all day. So in summer I prefer using BB CC creams, or if you don't have them, you may take your cream, just like face cream or something like this. Just put there 1, 2, 3 drops of your favorite foundation, mix it well, mix it really well, and apply on your face. It's not gonna give you a really good and full cover, but my face is looking better and I'm not feeling any mask on my face. So if you like glowy skin, I prefer using cream highlighter in summer. Second thing you need to think about is eyeliner and mascara, because I really don't have a lot of problems with mascara, but sometimes I had problems with eyeliners, so it's better to use waterproof eyeliner or something like this from e.l.f. I don't really remember if it was written that it's waterproof, but I think it is because it's really nice. Thing number 3. So lips. If you have dry lips in summer, I prefer using Missha, it's something Korean, lip balm. Just apply it on your lips and that's all. You may use shiny balms or everything, but there is one thing you need to think about. If you want to avoid this, you want to use ponytail. If you don't like ponytails and maybe you don't want to use lip balm, so you may just nourish your lips and then apply any lip cream that you like. And thing number 4, one of the best life hacks for summer, it's using tints. You may use tint on your brows, on your lips, everywhere you like. If you're a fan of Korean cosmetics, I am definitely. So I use sometimes tint for lips, tint for my eyebrows, and it's so nice. You don't need to think about something. You may swim, you may do everything you want, and just... And the last thing I want you to think about is spray for your makeup. So you may use setting spray, you may use mattifying setting spray, you may find something from Milani, from NYX, from everywhere where you like to. And if you're using this one, just remember to shake it, because if you're not to, you will have black spots on your face. And yeah, just think about this one because it's really nice. It's not a commercial, I'm not paid for this, but you really want to use it. And that's all. You may also add a little bit of blush on your face, maybe cream blush will be better, but it's up to you. I hope this video was really useful for you. Maybe you have your own life hacks in summer, so if you do, just let me know. Maybe I'll find something interesting for me too, because we all have something that we use in summer. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and being with me. I'm so happy summer's here. So yeah, remember to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And remember that you are already beautiful.